FireSale number 104 is a rare opportunity to acquire a premium greenhouse by Ceres Greenhouse Solutions at a fraction of replacement cost. This is a professionally designed, commercial-grade structure built with Ceres' signature passive solar system, engineered for year-round growing, superior insulation, and optimized airflow. It's not a basic setup, it's a high-performance controlled environment system designed to produce consistently, efficiently, and at scale. The greenhouse is in excellent condition, having only been used for about 1 year. It was meticulously built and maintained, and comes with full engineering plans and documentation, making it ideal for relocation and reassembly. If you're serious about growing, commercially or as a high-end operation, this is the kind of infrastructure that gives you an edge immediately. Included equipment and key attributes: premium Ceres passive solar greenhouse structure, commercial-grade metal building construction, energy-efficient design, reduced heating, cooling costs, optimized airflow and ventilation system, insulated north wall for heat retention, designed for year-round growing, even in colder climates, full engineering drawings, plans, and measurements included, professionally constructed to commercial standards, only approximately 1 year of active use, excellent condition, currently assembled and available for inspection. The liquidation price of the equipment is $137,500 United States dollars, which is 50% off the invoiced price, or a total discount of approximately $137,000 United States dollars. Important note: the price includes disassembly,